Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. So today I'm looking at a Grand Design Reflection, and it's a 303 RLS. It's a 2021, and it was produced in August of 21. And so one of the issues that the consumer was having, which is something that's been quite common, and we don't know, if it's just from rough roads or out here in California or going out our driveways too tight, but what we keep seeing over and over is the metal on the rear sheeting keeps getting a bent mark, right? And so when that happens, it's basically breaking off the screws, and sometimes it's breaking the welds as well on the lower wall. This one, it didn't break it all the way through, but it did break it a little bit. Sorry about the license plate. So this side you can see is much worse. You can see where actually here's the floor, so you can get an idea of how much that's off, right? So this whole back wall is shifting back and forth, and same thing, it's wallering out the screw holes, which is breaking the screws off that hold the wall in place, right? He hasn't pulled that one yet, but it's causing damage. You can see where it was buckling here on that spot, just like it did on that other side over there. So keep an eye out for this. I don't think this is something that Grand Design is going to help with. I'm going to call and check with them anyways. We've probably done, I don't know, maybe along the lines of maybe 25 of these now, maybe more. So we've had them on the Reflections, we've had them on the Solitudes, we've had them on the Momentums, and I think we've even had them on the Imagines as well. But so keep an eye out for, again, if you're looking at the end of the trailer and this is kicked out, the metal's kicked out, it's because the wall is broken loose. And so if this wall is broken loose, also the inside wall is broken loose too. So he's going to resecure the sides, and then I got to see if he's going to go into the inside and do something there as well. And again, so J metal has to come off, the S-lock has to come off to access these areas. So he's going to end up putting some brackets on, tie everything all in, using some bigger screws and some hardware, and get it all secured back up. So stay tuned for more, and thanks again for watching. This is Dustin and Terry, your RV Specialist.